Hello class 12, let us continue the chapter. Already we have started 4 marks questions of exercise 4 second order derivative. Now sum number 2 part 4. 2 part 4, find y2 when x to the power p y to the power q is equal to x plus y whole to the power p plus q. X plus y whole to the power p plus q. Already one class on derivative is taken, and there already I have said that if power is there, then we should take logarithms at first. Okay, so taking logarithms to both the sides. Taking logarithms to both the sides, what we will write? Let us write the equation first. X to the power p, y to the power q, y to the power q is equal to x plus y whole to the power p plus q. Okay, now taking logarithm. Taking logarithm to both sides. Taking logarithms to both sides, we get what we will write? Log x to the power p, y to the power q is equal to log x plus y whole to the power p plus q. Okay, so here we will write log mn. We know log m plus log n. So log x to the power p, we can write p log x plus q log y. Directly write. Here also we will write p plus q log x plus y. Only logarithm rule followed. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get what? P d dx of log x is p by x. 1 by x, p by x, and it is q by y dy dx. Chain rule followed here. Now p plus q, 1 by x plus 1 into d dx of x plus y. Okay, so this side it will be p by x plus q by y is equal to p plus q. Here 1 by x plus y into d dx of x plus y means 1 plus dy dx. Done. Okay. Okay, now let us take dy dx term to the left hand side. Now let me rub the board first. Let us take this dy dx term to the left hand side, and what we will get? Okay, so p by x plus q by y dy dx, it is there only. So let us write this p by x plus q by y dy dx. Okay, now p plus q by x plus y, p plus q by x plus y plus p plus q by x plus y dy dx. So better to write p plus q by x plus y to the left hand side. So p plus q by x plus y dy dx to the left hand side, and the right hand side already existing p plus q by x plus y, p plus q by x plus y, and take this p by x to the left right hand side. So it is coming minus p by x, and then rub it. If you want, you can write in this way directly, minus p by. Now take common dy dx. Okay, then what we will get? Q by y minus p plus q by x plus y is equal to x into x plus y, this is coming px plus qx minus px minus py. Okay, so plus px minus px cancelled. These and these two terms will be cancelled. Then what we will get? Dy dx. And this side it will be y into x plus y. Is it qx plus qy minus py minus qy is equal to, this is coming x into x plus y, and this is qx minus py. This is remaining only qx minus py. Okay, and y, x plus y from both sides we can cancel. And here also plus qy minus qy we can cancel. This is also cancelled. So qx minus py by x plus y here. Okay. Then dy dx, what we will get? Dy dx, actually we will get dy dx is equal to, we will get y by x, because qx minus py here by x plus y, here also qx minus py by x plus, all these terms will be cancelled from both sides, and we will get dy dx is equal to y by x. Okay, when dy dx y by x, therefore d2y dx2 will be x square. So x dy dx minus y, x dy dx minus y, and dy dx value already we have got this as y by x. So x into y by x minus y by x square, x cancelled. So it is coming y minus y. So 0 by x square. So answer is 0. Yes, d2y dx2 is, okay, d2y dx2 value is 0. That is the answer. Next, another big sum. Sum number 3, part 3. Find y2. Find y2 when x equal to a into t plus 1 by t and y is equal to a into t minus 1 by t. Okay, from here we can write y into t minus 1 by t. So let us calculate this part first. A into t LCM, and it is coming t square plus 1. Okay, and here this is equals to a into t square minus 1. So yt by a is this. More we can write, this is y. So yt by a is t square minus 1. Okay, now dx dt find out, then dy dt. So let us find dx dt. Therefore dx dt is equal to what? A into t square plus 1 by t. So it is t square. So t d dt of t square plus 1 minus t square plus 1 d dt of t, that is 1. Okay, so it is coming a d dt of t square means 2t minus t square plus 1 by t square. So it is coming 2t square minus t square minus 1 by t square. 2 t square minus t square is only t square. So t square minus 1 by t square. T square minus 1. So a into t square minus 1 by t square. That is equal to dx dt. That is equals to dx dt. Similarly, find out dy dt from here. Therefore, dy dt is what? Same thing. We will write a, and it is t square, and it will be, if we calculate this, after calculating we will get dt of t into dt of t square minus 1 minus t square minus 1. T into dt of t square minus 1 minus t square minus 1. So it is coming a t square 1 by t, ddt of t square means 2t, so 2t by t, it is only 2. So it is coming 2t into t, 2t into t, so it is coming 2t square minus t square plus 1, 2t square minus t square plus 1, so it is coming a into t square plus 1. Okay, this is t square minus 1, and we will get here t square plus 1. We will get this t square plus 1. Okay, therefore dy dx, let me rub the board, no place is there. Dy dx, we know dy dt into dt dx. Dy dt what? Dy dt is this, and dx dt is a dt dx will be, if we calculate this, we will get t square plus 1 by t square minus 1. Place is not enough, so I am just writing the answer, t square plus 1 by t square minus 1. Do this calculation part. Next, same as before, just find d2y dx2 from here. Okay, d2y dx2 you can do on your own.